Hello, my name is Dr. Jason Moore, and today I'd like to share with you some common causes of whiplash injuries and some of the most effective treatments for this problem. Whiplash injuries are caused by a major trauma, typically a car accident or car wreck, whipping the head back and forth during the impact. What happens to this area is one of three things really gets injured in this area, really four. One being the nerve in the neck gets pinched on at that point. Two being the disc is either bulging or herniated. Three, the joint is damaged and fixed and not moving properly. And four being the actual brain can be damaged and bruised in the area. I'm going to touch on these. Number one, the nerve being pinched on. When there's a major trauma to the neck area, what can happen is the vertebrae gets out of alignment and starts pinching on the nerve. Now you can feel pain right in the neck area where the nerve is being pinched on, but you can also feel what's called radiating pain into the shoulder or into your arm or hands at times. Number two, the disc. Discs are made out of cartilage. They're round, they're in your spine and your neck. And the inside of the disc is a fluid. Now when the area is injured, the fluid will push against the outside of the vertebrae, the outside of the disc, and cause some pain and a bulge. Sometimes, if the whipping and the damage to the area is bad enough, the fluid will actually break the outside of the disc, extruding, causing what's called a herniated disc and possibly pinching on the nerve in that area. Number three is the joint is not moving and has been damaged. What can happen is there's a part of the joint called the facet, and when this area gets injured, the facet starts to jam together, causing a lot of pressure and pain in the area. You'll feel that just directly in your spine. Fourth is what will happen is that the head is whipped back and forth. The brain will actually move and get bruised in that process. That will cause numbness and tingling. It will cause dizziness, nausea, things of that nature. Now, some of the things that we do to treat these problems in our office are called modalities or therapies. One being electric stim, two being spinal manipulation, and three being mechanical traction. Now, spinal manipulation, it's very safe and effective and light and usually feels really well on your spine. What we do is we lightly move the vertebrae just to get the vertebrae moving and take pressure out of the area with our hands, and thus help reduce your pain. Number two would be electric stim. What this is a real light current, usually feels like a massage, feels really well on the area. And what that does is it helps get the muscles to relax, gets inflammation out of the area, and helps reduce your pain by doing that. We also use what's called mechanical traction. Now, mechanical traction is basically a massage table. There's a little roller in there, and we put you on this table. What happens is that roller basically moves the vertebrae, helps slowly increase the flexibility of this area, getting your neck moving better and helping reduce your pain in the process. Now, some of the symptoms that people have is going to, when they have a whiplash injury, is going to be neck pain. We'll help alleviate that with those therapies like I just described. They'll also have muscle spasms in the area. Basically, what happens is the muscles contract around the injured area to basically protect it and to try and prevent any further damage. And the patient will notice lack of mobility and flexibility is what happens when these areas have been injured because of the real stiff joint and some muscle tightness in the area. Some of the things that patients notice when they have problems in these areas is, and they get relief from our therapy here, is that they're able to work more easily, longer periods of time with less pain in the area, so their work life does better. They're able to sleep longer periods of time without pain while they're sleeping. They don't toss and turn and have poor quality of sleep. And they also notice that they're able to take care of themselves better with their activities of daily living, such as showering, getting dressed in the morning, ready for the day, and taking care of their kids, things of that nature. Again, if you are having pain, such as a whiplash injury in your neck, please give us a call at 304-523-7891, and we will take care of you.